na bubora irere umwana ukogendera asa matuko ari busyo ime aye umwiburi kwabire gukuriye sukuru asora ire umwana wo anyorera obumanyi na nene w'ikikosi cy'amaboko murete Keroka Technical Training Institute elio aibunduze chikosi igaya ntubwate chikosi bunabono elia ya Building and Civil Engineering kubundisa turebogo ekosi ya Electrical and Electronics Engineering ase ekosi ya Agriculture and Environment Studies ase ekosi ya Applied Science Department ntubwate Science Laboratory Technician level 5 na level 6 ase ekosi ya Computing and Informatics Department ntubwate ekosi ya ICT Technician level 5 na level 6 igitumela asensemo ya Community and Online Working imiheskuru yigaya keti nigotubwate a Modern Library iyubwate bintu byonsi ibiraga nibigotumika ari nayo kubundisa tule ekosi ya Version Design asetubwate chimashini chekerero inkwegeli abale boigo Business Studies na Entrepreneurship inkwegeli bale Food Production and Cookery na boigo Food and Beverage Production aseti nsamu cha Cosmetology nigotokwegeli ya Beauty Therapy miranga ase Beauty Therapy nigo okwenyorera ubumanyi bwekerero unabono hair dressing pedicure manicure egati ubumanyi bunde ubunge boigonto bwate kosi ya Mechanical and Automotive Engineering agirira muretu mwana wo anyorera ubumanyi bwiga nabono nigo intake y'umutinyo gatano egenderete agirira eskuru yigani yere kilomita ya mune muskuru somuchokeroka na wogwaka esimu witrasi namba 0726588558 gose 0708330000 asigo ayirana kwenyorera ubumanyi iriwebekeri bagari rya asensiga yo kwerwanirira
Stariki ninye homo tiyenyino yogatano mwakano yobwechirubere merongo hebere ne tano nomo monchumo rigererinde no kwegena byore andonsia sole nabo kwanire abo kwaligane kwanyora mangana maya ye kyonga chinsebere chiabo nobutko literane seras nyakunde sense melio manyero nigare Wilson Makulina gusabire tuskale go chaka kyonga chinsebere nigotogo chaka ningana yogwechani asomubere bomusacho yomubi myaka yegatwa asili tambera musote yobere kakubatiraniwa nebikoro byobwe korwa sekenyoro kya masago esa brocation yabomwagi hime ya keumbu mambia lero nigatoka gatugutire mbarabare ne para ensemo yeremo orengana na kerori nigo batumanyubuna Uroyo urengene chingoma chintinde nigo kagere koreto akubekwa chinsemecho asoba kogwetirwa sangao banyanyimbo bokorobotuke mbaika chinsemecho na koirumo biro ya senge nduchinga kibotuke wachakiwe kubatikana nege korekyo
Samarieta James Kimanga nabo ekenyureke nekiane ambo mwagisabrocation nabo kama mbigango kwa bo murugione atigo siaro go yastoa kanyoreta kagondo gakona ko tunya kuragera rende bono ngo jwe kamata na nyoro muntu kweto enje buna richi koria serikali rigoteba kuno mugapiti nare kwobwa na kesi nya sumo gambio moke media dino mugamire tax responsibility oikaiga iye kenyoro mutu anyoro mungwane kana murige na nyora nimo manyete taswa nara no ntare kumanya na narwa ka report egerente die ikenyoro kemanya usaba gambe manya serikali igorende namo manya sama deta nara akurukumbera ntumumanyite igo rinde nabo yarenge goikera igo lakini egento nare gosaba abaibori baito onye omwana okara omobe akianjerana nande mokani twensi ntubwata abana lakini nare gosaba abaibori mokoro gwanja koino mosomera abana baino mobabeke buya egera abana batwareri enjerengi ya batari senjere bwenerate gento kende amakoso naringa okoranga taiteiriga kera tokorigereria taiteiriga kera serikali na ya monchora ya nyoranga abetiro muyo mogongo na maninga tayonsa aguno na kana iko ketiringo nkiarengo igorende okoranga itiretware akaretu gaiga iyera makoso gocha gusereria kenyoro kende gaiga kangana onye nyendie kunyarekana no ngo chipara aria sabantu batari go kenyoro maiga bono togutwara ubwoba abo twatwara ntemye kenyoro yatwara ubwoba kintu gosabanya sae tuika konyora byanga nase ne gaitire kurwa senga abetiro moikurumaga no mutwana atwara naki aina aranara tusabarinde gaki abaibori tatebia abana baite tubaikara twabagambia na bagwena takomenya sebinyoro
twabere no muichano sana kertwanya no reporting no mwana omuntu mbera nyalira kabaga okwa twakumiri bone ma bitwa kuresi mingo mwana ole kwande skuru anyalira mwana uyo muntu mbera kale para linde twanyalira goikororo kera tuikororo mana ndu twabo mwana ntona magwanyo takarara bobe ngende nto yugo kumingelinga mwana uyo muntu lirara so ikundu achira basigali ba monjo ira manga twanyalira ngabetire mu ikuru magongo tugosaba abantu betu ngaki nebo muntu okogose mwabire gose mukwanire onyoko gosera mwabirane ake abantu baminda makwire ichire gusiguna bone kinyire kegeito uyu muntu nando gatatu okuze turakura kwena abantu bone kinyire kemo abantu batatu nandi familia ya otugosaba abana baminto unyukuru mukarakali kusonye tuli mukarakali tema gutarana abantu batari abakarakali
ase enjira yamo yoguchingira litiko lyobosibole asa barali ensengima abarali korwa sensemo yagusimba koretaro asomu chobosongo unenjira yamo yoguchingira litukeliga mu komando kisi Ronald Kirwe ababatani nigo babwaterana nabarali bebisaseni aigeme yagusi okoretare yo ase ekerenga kyo mwako yiga okorali okukona cha homurembe ase amatukankyo Mulikito Wycliffe Tyson Manyara aroboti rwasinjira yobwikira
And today journalists have also been reminded that they have another additional role, that if they do their business of reporting news in the newsroom or doing a visit somewhere, what will come in the center is about peace. It's defining what journalism is, that journalism is a tool of peace and not conflict. So it's reminding all of us that we have a responsibility that we must teach peace, that we must always have peace in all our thoughts and whatever we are doing.
Na habari ni watu wa kutegemewa iwe usiku iwe mchana, sababu wanajulisha watu tofauti tofauti, mfano sasa kama kielimu, uchumi wa kujiendeleza, kilimo, kimichezo. Mbali na hivyo wanastahili kuheshimiwa kwa sababu sasa kama ile article 19, article 33, article 34 ambayo inasema kwamba watu wasifiche ile habari ambayo inastahili kufikia yeyote yule ambaye anastahili kusikiza na kumeza hiyo habari, yote inapitia kwa wanahabari. Wanahabari ni heri waheshimiwe mahali popote wanapoonekana, kwa sababu wao ndio kioo cha jamii kuanzia mashinani mpaka ulimwenguni kote.
During this occasion, we review our performances in the past year, and I want to say that the media has a role to play in society. It has a responsibility of educating the society on the Constitution of Kenya, the civil liberties that they enjoy, and the electoral process.
Hiyo ni eneo la Kisii, Nyamira na maeneo mengine. Sisi tunaomba chachi mkuu na Inspector General, kuna visa vya wenzetu tumeona wakifahamiwa wakifanya kazi yao halali. Tunataka kuambia Inspector mkuu General na chachi mkuu bwana Madam Martha Koome hakikishe kuwa yale maovu yote wanahabari wamefanyiwa katika nchi ya Kenya yanafika mwisho. Hizo kesi zote siweze kuharakishwa, tujue ni nani alifanya, sababu kuna wengine hata tunawaona kwa picha wakifamia wanahabari.
Aso Robert Rumanchumo oligerelia no togo swali boli lieli tukolia lero parengana hamo na Rumanchumo oligerelia igo habara imbagwa togo sibole anene bo kwanera mangana alengete ense parengana mona Rumanchumo oligerelia habarali obwa togo sibole boisaine ukwanera hamangana alengete ense sanga mona injuwetera sinamba yesimi ya 0726 447367 go Ketembe TV Facebook na boigo YouTube wikara hankerongo chikanda so mutimoko inyale kingo hetera hebi irengereri byao kuna henchire yemo yoko bakonya abantu bali babwato muchando bwa maisoime ye county Nyamira igomoroberio hochakiwe bogocha kwena na hebirole na boigo kulingoria maiso orobiyo nigo hochia go sora so entunda ya kabere abwasokora wa Nairobi wa kirifiremoni apieme yokorige hobo seneta wa Nyamira na boigo Douglas Rutwa yole neganga yokorige kerogo kyobo msie bwagi bwabugichora abaraya baiga bateruna ogochakiwa ko murobiri yiga no kubakonya bantabo bale no muchando wa maiso ukwana na barali kurwa so muchyo munene wa Nyamira hoyo gotoka ward ya township ebunge ya West Mugirango nigo abantu boigo bakurero buna abanyare gwetanga kurwa sebintu biribire irere ogosareka kwa maiso muri kitofati ga December arobotirwa sinchira yobwikirano
ase entunda ya kabere yokogenderera kugwenia umuchando wa maiso abaigo kubwatuke birore asabu bare no muchando yo nigo muwakiri Filebone Apiemi abaigo Douglas Rutwa nkeo kubwatirana na banyagitari kurwa Lions nigo bachakirie omoroberio oyo nainde
amaiso bina bimo binde byonse nabo bikorwara nabo bikogota igekero gochekigwa igogochekigwa kwa manyungambo bale onyara arebobe oigwe birore gose otebigwo goreriogo gose onye surgery etakire otebigwo surgery gochiokorwere surgery inero tobwata omobango bari bonsi bagochikonyorwa batakire surgery naande partners bande nababuna tora tobwatelanete tochikorana gitogochikokonya bari batakire gokora surgery ego era maiso na ara gukoro gite beauty yense era ondi area ntua manye tena kia bantu barabe obokongu borobonene so ntua bogore tibisa ine lakini bono ya tubwate birore kantingi mbacha 50,000 bonus pio bakonyora
ensemo yaye Douglas Rutwa onkeo oyokoboria obo MCA bwabo gichora nigo abwatuka enkwana eye
igisaiseke wanza mambi tubwate places ase igisaiseke ojo gokorerwa mambi tugakarinya saba kwa Catholic ya Jerusa SDA Church eye gotoka bogichora ward twende school ekoroku Malindi primary no tojo collect igisaiseke tulingoria abana maiso. The reason is why abanyagetari aba bakira bange sana twanyota abantu baita maiso na saligete sa tugutumika chinko amarioki asalirie kwirende bona geko gano ne timu ya cha lero gusena abande balinchera tubwatha abanyagetari bare more than 13 so that tunyaruka area yo ange yonse
aiga umunyagitari wa maiso korwa Light and Hope aserieta Regina Panui nigo aenekebuna asobotuki nigo bokorokia abantu abanene abange nabo bari no muchando yoiga bwa maiso korende nonye nabana bake nkonyorekana bare no muchando yoiga.
Kwanza itasaidia jamii kwa sababu shida haigunduliwi haraka haraka. Si kila mtu ataenda hospitali aende tu like ameenda tu kuangalia macho ziko vipi. So tunapogundua shida haraka itakuwa very easy kwa sababu tuta prevent hiyo shida ku progress na kukua more severe to a way that haitakuwa manageable. 15% and mainly in adults, but for children not that rampant, but it affects adults mostly.
Asomo roberio yiga orache kugenderera ekaunti engima asomo wakiri Firebon Murara Piemi oyokuboria oboseneta bwa Nyamira
igondere dipi asogokorera abantu ba Nyamira gasi yoboseneta bono iga igombware chipiri sana ngoji go present a senate kana jorirwe bono iga moroche egasi bune na basani abatobwate igo I'm very ready kabisa asogokorera abanyamire gasi kubarangari bage 2027 kire candidate yo maete ne bwate scorecard yae ande bono mapema igo at the end of the day abanyamira na bararore ngubara chore achikuba represent bia
ingo reporter Getembe kuraiga se county ya Nyamira nche Fatigad Isemba
Byamuno murikito Fatigad Gisemba hasorobotiro para ibikyama gia Jubilee bakora no mokonyi gumura ibikemeke Dr. Fred Matiang'i igobasokire na kumwegerera humuraibe nso mukoro Uhuru Kenyatta obwatikana n'ekinkwana ekyo abaga kubwatuka bwangoiga asiarolekanire abaraiba Kenya Kwanza omugikeria kubwatikana n'ekinkwana ekyo barajabo batero bona humurayo y'omukoro bwense nere no mokenyare na nabwe netokwanira mangana halengetense ya Kenya.
Our party leader is going nowhere, and our party leader will continue to express himself. It is his constitutional right. In fact, you can go ahead and do what you please, because the kind of behavior we have seen from elected leaders is shocking. We must uphold the decency of difference, that we can have differences, but we can be decent about it. Even the language that is being used by some of these leaders in reference to President Kenyatta is shocking. We will not even allow and encourage our members to use that kind of language against President William Ruto, because it's indecent, it's unbecoming. We want to build a decent society, and a society that upholds truly the principles of democracy and decency. The retired president makes one phone call, and the government screams the whole weekend. What kind of people are these? And we are reading now the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics, a public sector government agency, has told us clearly with data and statistics that 2/3 of the stories they have been telling us are just blatant lies. On a weekend when senior members of your party are announcing that they will not defend their seats on your party's ticket, when it is clearly displayed to the world that you are a sinking ship, would you be spending your time insulting your predecessors? It's amazing. We want to ask these brothers and sisters of ours in government, there's work to be done, a lot of work to be done. Let's focus on that work and build our country. President Kenyatta is retired, he is a member of Jubilee, he is going to be a member of Jubilee, and is playing his role as a member and the leader of Jubilee. Leave him alone. Let him carry on with his businesses. You have a country to run. You have a government to run. I mean, tell us about all these goons walking around with police officers. There are places in this country, even last night people are calling me, suffering from cat rustling. People have lost animals and livestock and so on. In that particular environment, you are spending all your time insulting the retired president. And those elected leaders, I want to ask them, sisi tunawaheshimu, we are not going to walk down that hole of behaving like Precambrian people, insulting others for no apparent reason.
Homo rire nyuma tutarenda sumutimuko niliboli rire disikola rero igo rire korengana munayo monchu mo rire ninki gose homo habararimba bwato bosibole wisaine gokwanira hamangana arengete ense korengana munayo monchu mo rire habararimba bwato bosibole wisaine gokwanira mangana arengete ense sanga munanchi namba yesime igere 0726447367 Orengana nelibole elie litiko lialero nkirana ninjiga soma hebi irengerali ibiao
Kine nugane teach stage chichi size au lighting and effects, pipe and drapes, PA or sound, camera equipment, grip, LED screens, security barriers, fences, power units, tiema chechingencho au nibinde ebenge asi emega ilia emeke nilia yaigatua gusi ilia emenene concerts ibigeni corporate events amoro kereria ibiegwa na version shows imesengurikana nibinde ebenge twakire isimi asi enamba 0700-301-301 gose 0722-347-371 301 Events, your one-stop shop for all events and equipment.
Amasomo nanine obumanyi nabuborairire omwana okugendera asamatuko ali busyo ime aye omwibuli kwabire gukuriye sukuru asoraire omwana wo anyorera obumanyi nanine w'ekikosi ky'amaboko muretekero ka Technical Training Institute elyo aibunduza ekikosi ao igaiga ntubwate ekikosi bunabono eliaya Building and Civil Engineering kubundisa tureboigo ekosi ya Electrical and Electronics Engineering ase ekosi ya Agriculture and Environment Studies ase ekosi ya Applied Science Department ntubwate Science Laboratory Technician Level 5 na Level 6 ase ekosi ya Computing and Informatics Department ntubwate ekosi ya ICT Technician Level 5 na Level 6 Gitume Lab ase nsema ya Community and Online Working imiyeskuru yigaya keti nigotubwate a Modern Library iyubwate bintu byonsi ibiraga nibigotumika ali nayo kubundisa tule ekosi ya Version Design ase tubwate chimashini chekerero inkwegeli abale boigo Business Studies na Entrepreneurship inkwegeli bale Food Production yani Cookery na boigo Food and Beverage Production ase chinsamu cha Cosmetology nigotokwegeli ya Beauty Therapy miranga ase Beauty Therapy nigo okwenyorera obumanyi bwekerero unabono hair dressing pedicure manicure egati bumanyi bunde obunge boigo ntubwate kosi ya Mechanical and Automotive Engineering agirira muretu mwana ayenyorere obumanyi bwiga nabono nigo intake y'umutinyo gatano egenderete ayirira eskuru yigani yere kilomita ya mune muskuru asomo chokeroka nabogwaka esimgwetrase chinamba 0726588558 gose 0708330000 asigo ayirana kwenyorera obumanyi eriwebekeri bagali lya asensiga yokwerwanirira ne nobwatukorera kundi gwensi ebenkulye kwemikutano ukorere kugukwa kuri gukwinyurya kuseme igende yonsi oraganye erariwe mono Getembe FM your station nero eridyuka iyubwate sigine ntindi na bwigo ensera kirege tangaza munintwe asirigurira mabuko twakirisi migwetera senamba 0741499726 Getembe FM asa matangazo ana oregene.
Karibu nainde omwanchomo oligereria go chakabene nigo tuguchakaniri bori eli tuko ria rero korengana muna yo mwancho murigeria abarari mbagwato bosi bari boisaine ukwanira mangana harengete ense isangamo na inche birangereri byago gwetera se namba ya 0726447367 go Segetembe TV Facebook na boigo YouTube indo chimbaraiga bagendete kurwe birangereri byabo kubatikana neli bori ili tuko ria rero yakoro kupeti koruke birigo agotene kene tigabarari basikwe ikiagera ngote babare kene buna amanganare period abagukora igo yakoroku umwana George kurwanya mweli gesima habarari tigabaegwe obosibore batumanye hari hagendrete ime yense yakoroku nere Meshaki kurwe sani abarari mbabwati bosibore boisaine ikiagera serikali tesigeti obwene korende ogo togigwa yesi ko gendra boigo nabo monchumo rigero konyara ko gosange birangere byabo kubwatikana ne libori lyo diskola rero wetrase namba ya 0726447367 go Segetembe TV Facebook na boigo YouTube kogendra homora ibenso muske William Ruto Iko litikuria rero habatiani bene habana chibi na 35 na babere uchigoswa sekigambere kenene aigaime yense oraibense hoyibo igoro munyakerogo bwekyombe gyakomesa iko boigo habatiani habana chibi na 10 babere abara chigoswa asekigambero gyakomesa Court of Justice ukwana chingeke cyo muraibense nigo haruko kubolia ko chia saba na chibi nabo kwene kibunango korabale mirimo yabo asogwene n'ubwasyoku.
Those of us who have lifted the Bible or the Quran or our hands to swear must understand that our mandate goes beyond a mere appointment. To the judges taking oath today, the responsibility before you is immense. Each case file represents more than a dispute. It carries with it livelihoods, investments, and the hopes of individuals, communities, and a nation. Your decisions, Honorable Justices, will shape lives and influence the broader trajectory of our society. It is therefore essential to weigh these considerations carefully so that justice is not only legally sound, but also socially responsible and impactful. As we expand judicial capacity, we must also reaffirm our commitment in integrity, both as individuals and as institutions of service. Integrity remains the foundation of public trust. It calls for visible leadership, consistent accountability, and firm action against corruption at all levels. By doing what is right, consistently, and without compromise, we protect our nation and strengthen the values that define us. I implore you to do the right thing, however difficult, however unpopular, however uneasy it may be. Finally, when all is done and said, the things you do right will count.
Muraibense niko boigo hatogiro kubwatirana wense ya Kenya mona Tanzania ukwana chingake koleta roe maroko bajalero hasense ya Tanzania utonigaruro kubolia gochia sechinse chonsi chorongorwa East Africa wene kibuna kubwatirana chire hasogokoro muchando yogende tego chibwatirani gati yabo muchando bogo chechi kwelire.
We also reviewed regional security challenges and reaffirmed our commitment to enhance cooperation to ensure that our shared borders remains zones of peace, stability, and opportunity, and agreed that we should bring back the Ujirani Mwema framework that helped public officials on both sides of the border to better manage the border so that we can keep away criminals, terrorists, drug traffickers, human trafficking cartels, and make sure that we keep the border what it should always be, to facilitate trade and business between our two countries. We also noted that as the global supply chains continue to shift, our region is well positioned to emerge as a competitive hub for production and investment. To realize this potential, we must deepen our regional integration and pursue coordinated strategies that enhance our collective competitiveness. It is my belief and that of the leaders in our region that whatever raw materials we have, be it natural resources, energy resources, should be used for the industrialization of our region so that we can create wealth here, we can create jobs here, we can expand opportunities here, we can have industries here. We recognize the global challenges that are with us, from climate change to health crisis, that all these require collective action and strengthen, therefore, our resolve for international cooperation, starting with us as East Africans. I'm confident that the discussions we've held will translate into tangible outcomes for our people, and I urge that our respective teams, as was guided by the President, that all the non-tariff barriers that impede trade between our two countries, we have very clear instructions from our private sector that these non-tariff barriers serve the interests of nobody. And therefore, they should be resolved, as was ably instructed by the President, by the end of this month, so that East Africans can do business, can invest, and can trade without roadblocks and without barriers.
Warai bikiama kia ODM ni gobane kiribune gangenene ye kiamikyo nokwene kibuna kumwegera bale umwana inchi bwa konyora gwense aso kwene kibuno konyora gosikinga kechiga bangende tukubatirana ne serikali ya Broad-Based ukwana ime ya Mombasa barayabo ni gobane kiribuna amba chikogendera kobamo na kwendera gukwanira hamangana arengete hekiamikyo ubosi bw'abachole bonene mu mwaka wa 2025.
Sisi tumebaki na tutabaki kuwa watu wa ODM. Kama ni mawaziri ama si mawaziri, sisi ni watu wa ODM. Na vile vile ni kama yalivyosemwa, kutia kwetu nguvu katika msukumo wetu ni kuwepo kwetu sisi hapa. Na kwa sababu tupo hapa, tunabeba masuala ambayo yanaathiri pakubwa hasa wafuasi wa chama cha ODM na kuwakilisha matakwa yao katika serikali. Ndio maana leo tunakuwa na tathmini kubwa ya kwamba uwezo tulionao kiserikali usaidie na uboreshe maisha ya Wakenya kwa jumla, pasipo kuacha jimbo moja ama kulemea katika jimbo moja. Yani usawa katika taifa letu. So tuseme tutakavyosema, tunene tutakavyonena, tutende tutakavyotenda. Almuhim, ukitathmini maneno yako kwa kina na ufikiri kihalisi, sisi hapa ni wafuasi kamili, bila tashwishi yoyote, bila kusuasua, bila wasiwasi, bila uoga.
And we have had robust conversations since yesterday. Today, after this we will continue conversations until tomorrow on the unity and strength of our party and our strategy moving into 2027 and beyond.
Konyuri mwanchumo rigereria rebori lieli tukolia rero igo lire kulengana munayo mwanchumu ligerelia nigo abaralimbo bwa tubusi bole boisaine ukwanira mangana harengete nse kulengana munayo mwanchumu ligerelia barali mbabwa tubusi bole boisaine ukwanira mangana arengete nse sangamo na nche ebirengero bya gweterasi namba yesime ya 0726447367 gose Getembe TV Facebook na boigo YouTube. Serikali nigegendete gutinga emeroberi ya masomo kingage kiga kisukuru kyigwire hasi tamu ya kabere ukwana monogari we serikali Isaac Mwaura igatera ubune serikali igendete kubwatoka kibesa gwe kiase kisukuru kingaki kibwenerete.
Tunaona walimu wakijaribu kusema kwamba ati wanaongeza ada zingine za huku kando kando kwa sababu hawajapatiwa pesa na serikali. Hilo sio jambo ambalo tunafaa kulisikia kamwe. Kwa sababu muhula uliopita tulipatiana pesa kabla watoto kuweza kuingia shule. Sasa hivi kabla watoto wajaingia shuleni tumetoa shilingi bilioni 23.4, 23.4 billion. Kwa hiyo mtu hafai kuwa anaenda anaweka pesa. Tunaona kuna shule fulani ambazo zimeweka ada nyingi sana. Kama pesa inafaa kuwa shilingi 50,000 inafika hata karibu shilingi 100,000. Hilo sio jambo ambalo tunafaa kuliona, kwa sababu wakati unafanya hiyo pesa haina uwajibikaji na wazazi ndio wenyewe wanaumia. Kwa hivyo tunatoa ilani kama serikali kwamba hilo jambo likome. Pesa tayari zimeingia katika shule tofauti tofauti na tumeweza kuorodhesha vile ambavyo zinafaa kutumika. Hilo ni jambo ambalo tunalisitizia. Kwa hivyo watu wasitumie hiyo ili kuwatapeli walimu, wazazi na watoto na kuweza kufanya bei ya maisha iweze kuwa kubwa zaidi kwa sababu ya zile gharama ambazo zinajitokeza.
Na gwikiraga bu mwanchumo rigerelia no gwikiro mwelio wa mangana mayiye kyonga chinsebire chiabo butuko kurende chikoraga chinsenye ningirana nkumanya senchira iyo gwikira no kurende mbarabiga bagendete gutumia birangara byabo ari asowa kesi mikurende haso gutome SMS kubatikana na libodi eli tukoryara kroko Gideon Oinga kurunya bituno market ongesi Getembe yaito asobo semiwino na homo kino asobo semia abaralimbi yabagokora emirimo yabo tiga basikwe muno tokosagaiga Facebook baragaiga bagendete gutubwati hasinchira here endunge kabisa koroku Honorable Finlay Mosokenye korwa hase wodi yabasibuge taulio agotebona nwarime kama dawa akoroku William Ongoti Mumanyi kurwa Nyamangwa Tombe agotebuna nwarime ije kiunga bikunde elija era gotena niga bwatiti kiunga asinchira erendonge kefasoni osongo kurura nenti na kuru agotebuna niga tubwatete ya maseyemo asinchira erendonge Christopher Tandi kuruborangi Kenyambi matubwatiti asinchira ere endonge kole chikoraga chinsenye ningirane nkomanyi kiunga asinchira yobwekira niliterane sera sinyakunde asensemo yebimenyererio niga rengwirisoni makoli nagosabire twaroborigereria borobia.